Hey, this is Christian. I'm over here at Patrick Cadillac, certified technician here. We've got a lot of questions coming in recently about exhaust systems. Like up here, we have some buildup, some water, some other kind of stuff all up inside those exhaust systems, and we wanted to get them all answered here now. So here we are. We have the front main components of the exhaust system as well as the rear ones above me. But starting here, we have the catalytic converter, which goes up to the cylinder head or exhaust manifold. And then we have here a flex pipe. This allows flex in your system. That way you're able to have some movement during the suspension and such. And then down here we have our mid pipe with another flex pipe and some more, all going back towards the rest of this mid pipe, going towards the tailpipe with the mufflers, and then therefore all the way out and done. So continuing along over here, we have right above me the main mufflers. So you can see here we have a bit of, we'll call it water staining. It looks like a smuck kind of buildup. So right here, this is actually just exhaust deposits, kind of like carbon, very common byproduct of exhaust production. Basically the idea is every time you have your engine running, you're going to create some power, but you're also going to create exhaust byproducts, just like when you make milk, you make like whey. And that kind of idea is that this is normal, and you will have things that build up just like this. It's not exactly rust, but it will cause rust if it is left untreated in areas where it is allowed to pull up. Now luckily, most of these actually have a design. You can kind of see it right here. There's a little pinhole that allows all the water to leak out. That's called the weep hole. And the whole idea of that is preventing that very quick accelerated exhaust rust buildup and allowing all the water to pull out and not having any issues right there. So again, this is all part of having carbon dioxide and having water, which is far better than having the big gases like carbon monoxide that we all worry about and anything like that. So that said, this exhaust system is looking really good, even for say a 2019 or so. And this is kind of what they all will look like after some time, and it is considered normal. They should have rust, but just something to look out for in the future if that answers any questions. All right, well, thanks for phoning in with the questions. I hope that answered everything you wanted to know about the exhaust system, so we can always do more later if you're interested. So please do go ahead, comment, like, subscribe, and let us know at Patrick Cadillac if you need any further service, and that can be a question towards your advisor. Thanks again. Take care.